Hope you are doing well. Today in this video we're gonna see a face brush or a cleaning brush or a cleaning tool that you guys made me buy it. Literally you guys, your comments made me, your reviews made me buy this product. So let me tell you what that product is. So this is the Bronson Professional's Silicone Face Exfoliator Brush. Intelligent ultrasonic multifunctional cleaning brush. So this is basically a cleansing brush. So this is how the packaging looks like, and when you open this you get the actual product and plus the charger in it, the charging cable. So let me give you an up close of this product. So it looks like a dog spa, very cute, isn't it? Pretty in baby pink color, and it has a very soft silicone bristles. The bristles are really soft, you guys. I have used several facial brushes in the past, but none felt this soft. This is waterproof, so you can keep this under running tap water also. On the back you have a charging point. So what you'll have to do is pour on some face wash onto this and switch on the power button, and it starts to vibrate. Can you hear that sound? Apart from the power button, there is also two other buttons to increase and decrease the speed of vibration. So if you want to increase the speed, you can do that. If you want to decrease it, you can also do that as well. So this is what it does, guys. This is basically a cleansing brush with some vibration added to it. This is a rechargeable battery operated product. In case the battery runs out, you can connect this USB cable to your regular phone charger and you can charge this product. You guys actually made me buy this product. Yes, totally, guys. Let me tell you a quick story on how did I get my hands on this. So I went to the Nykaa's app during their sale time, and I went to their skincare category and I sorted it by discount high to low. It was originally priced at rupees 1100. By discount it is priced at rupees 297. So like it was discounted for like 80%. So yeah, that's when I like, okay, let me get this one, but I'm not really sure how it's gonna work or something. So I went down to the review section of this product and I was really shocked, you guys. Your comments, your reviews made me buy this product. So let me go through the comments by you guys. So someone says that every time I use this, I keep on getting asked whether I did a cleanup. It makes your skin glow. It does help in removing the toxins and keeping blackheads and whiteheads at bay. The skin looks naturally radiant. And the other person says worth buying. Taken many days to order this product, but it's really worth it. No need to go for cleanup and facials in salon. Get the same feeling at home. Almost used for a week and then putting this review. And the other person says 5-star for this. This is the best. I'm in love with this. A silicone face exfoliation brush makes magic to your skin. And the other one says amazing product. I've used this and had really great effect on my skin. Pores were cleaned deeply and I was left with soft skin. Someone has also said that this is the best product for oily skin. I've been using it for 2 weeks and I can see the difference. Exfoliates better and quality is also good. Best recommended for oily skin. And the other person says a must-have product for oily skin. After using it, my skin feels oil-free. It gives instant massage to your glowing skin. I recommend this as must needed for oily skin. Most of the comments, or I would say all of their comments, were like positive comments, and I was like, really? Then I should definitely get this product on my hands and see it if it's really worth it or not. And that's how I discovered this product and ordered it immediately. So then it reached me, and my god, guys, to my surprise, the comments, the reviews put up by you guys are really true. And I read someone saying that you don't have to go to parlors and salons to get a facial or a cleanup. This product does it. So what you'll have to do is first wet the brush under running tap water. Now pour your regular face wash onto this. Wet your face with water. Turn on the power button and it starts vibrating. The default speed is higher for me, so I'm gonna lower the speed. Okay, this is the right speed. If you have active pimple on your face, do not go over the pimple. It's kind of relaxing as well. Some people use this as a massager. And I read one of you guys saying that it reduces your headache also. It switches off automatically at 3 minutes, but you can do this for like 1 to 2 minutes. I do this for 2 minutes. So I'm gonna wash my face and be right back. I don't know if you could see the difference on camera. This is my face after using the silicone facial cleansing exfoliator brush. Once you wash your face with water, you would know that this has done miracle. This product gives you that exact same feeling how you feel after getting a facial done or getting a cleanup done. You get the same feel with this one. And also it does keep blackheads and whiteheads at bay. It feels really soft. It has sucked out all the oil and dirt and pollutants on my skin. I did wash my face 2 hours before doing this video. I did not get this feel at all back then. And I'm very honest about this. Being an oily skin type, I do suffer a lot of blackheads and whiteheads. When I started using this product, I did not see my blackheads and whiteheads coming back. When I stopped using this product, they came back. So that's when I realized this product is a magical product. This is not sponsored, this is not a barter collaboration or any collaboration, paid collaboration sponsored, nothing. This is something that I discovered myself and I'm totally loving it. No matter what skin type you are, this really cleans the skin well and also exfoliates at the same time. After using this, I felt like I have exfoliated my face, I have exfoliated my skin, and that's the feeling it gives after every use. People use it every day, every morning and evening. I use it every morning. I'm very sure you guys gonna love this on the first usage itself because I loved it on its very first usage. So now that you have seen the demo, we are moving on to the pros and cons. The pros are it cleanses the skin really well. It sucks out the oil and dirt from your skin. It exfoliates the skin. It keeps blackheads and whiteheads at bay. It brightens up the skin by eliminating the dead skin cells. It makes your skin really soft and smooth. Feels like you just got a facial or a cleanup done from a parlor or a spa. It gives you that kind of a result, guys. It gives you that kind of a feeling and that kind of a result, just like the result that your facial gives. The battery life of the product is really good. The only con I got after thinking for 2 hours is that the USB cable is really short, and that is the only con that I could find from this product. It's really short, it's really small. So yeah, that's the only con that I could find. I'll put the link in the description box. One thing that I found is that currently, the Bronson Professional Silicone Electric 2-in-1 Face Brush and Massager for Deep Cleansing and Exfoliation is priced at Rs 198. I'll put up a screenshot. It is priced at Rs 198. The original price is 1100 and it is at 82% discount. I got it for 292 during Nika's sale. I mean, like, what? Should I stop getting products during the sale because the discounts are higher during the normal times than the sale? I got it for 292 rupees. It is priced at rupees 198 currently. Grab it, guys. So with that, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you liked watching this video. The link is down in the description box. If you are a guy dealing with rough skin, patchy skin, definitely use this product at least once to see the difference. So with this, I finished this video. Until then, I will see you in my next video. This is Mediti signing off. Bye-bye, guys. Take care.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.